Hello children, once again welcome to Quick Learn with Vijisha. Thanks for all your support to my channel. So today we will see class 5 problem set 22. In this problem set we will solve each and every sum because the sums are little difficult. So we will see how to do it in simple manner. So stay tuned to my channel, and children, don't forget to subscribe the channels for further notifications. So let's see how to do problem set 22. Question number 1, here it is given as how to add the fractions. Okay, so we will see the first question. It is given as 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. So the basic concept to add fractions, we have learned that the denominators should be same. Here the denominators are different, so no need to worry students. We will see how to do this. Now 4 and 8 has a combination, like in the table of 4, 4 2s becomes 8. Yes students, so we will use, we have 4 in the question and 8 in the question, so we will use this 2 and see how to do the sum. We will write here 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. So 4 2s becomes 8. So 4 2s will give you the answer as 8. Understanding children? So whenever you have multiplied denominator with 2, we will multiply the numerator as well. Don't forget this students. So what will be the answer you get? Here you have the fraction as 1 upon 8 plus, now we will multiply this. 3 2s will become 6 and 4 2s will become 8. Understanding children? Now our denominators are same, so we can do the addition as we have learned earlier. So 1 plus 6 will give you the answer as 7 and your denominator is 8. Understanding children? In this we had made the fractions, made the denominators equal. Understanding? We'll see second sum. Second sum is 2 upon 21 plus 3 upon 7. Only for the denominators we have to check, they are different. Now in this table of 7, 3s will give you the answer as 21. Understanding children? So we will use this 3. We will write 2 upon 21 plus 3 upon 7. Only this side we will multiply with 3, so that 7 3s will give you the answer as 21. Understanding children? So we have multiplied the denominator, we will multiply with numerator also. Hope you are understanding students. So now the fraction is 2 upon 21 plus 3 3s will give you the answer as 9 and 7 3s will give you the answer as 21. Understanding children? Now the denominators are same, so we will add the numbers. 2 plus 9 will give you the answer as 11 upon 21. Hope you are understanding students. We'll see the third question. Next question is 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. Now for 5 and 3 are our denominators, but they don't have any common table. So we will see how to do this. We will learn a simple method to do this. We will write 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. We will see how to do this. We need to cross multiply. So this 3 multiplied this side will give you the answer as 6, and 5 multiplied this side will give you the answer as 5 1s are 5. Understanding children? What we have done, 3 2s is become 6 and 5 1s has become 5. And now we will see how to write this. What the values you have got, 6 plus 5. And for the denominator we will multiply both this. 5 3s will give you the answer as 15. This is the simple and the tricky way to add the fractions. So 6 plus 5 will give you the answer as 11 and your denominator as 15. See the fourth question. 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 2. This is also like the third question. We will see how to do this. 2 multiplied with this 2 will give you the answer as 4. Fine. Plus 7 multiplied this side will give you the answer as 7 ones are 7. And 7 twos are will give you the answer as 14. Understanding, children? So 4 plus 7 will give you the answer as 11 upon 14. Fine. Easy to solve. Understanding, children? If you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment box. Now coming for the subtraction parts of the fractions. So stay tuned to learn how to do the steps, how to do the sums step by step. So we'll see the first question, students. Question is given as 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. Fine. So we'll see if there have any combination. Yes, 10 and 20 has the combination, like 10 twos will give you the answer as 20. Fine. So we will write 3 upon 10. 10 has to be made 20. So we will multiply 10 with 2. Understanding, children? For the numerator also we will multiply by 2. Minus, here we will not multiply as we are getting 10 twos will give you the answer as 20. Understanding, children? Now we will solve the fractions. 3 twos will give you the answer as 6 and 10 twos will become 20. Fraction you will write minus 1 upon 20. So 6 minus 1 will give you the answer as 5 and your denominator is 20 in the question. Hope you are understanding, children. We'll see the second question. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. So here also 2 and 4 has a combination. Fine. What is the combination in that? 2 twos will give you the answer as 4. So we will multiply only this side. We will write 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. So we will multiply only this side with 2. Understanding, children? So 3 upon 4 minus 1 twos are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Now our denominators are same. So we will do the direct multiplication. 3 minus 2 will give you the answer as 1 and your denominator is 4. Understanding, children? 6 upon 14 minus 2 upon 7. Now I think you would be finding it simple to solve the sums, like 7 twos will give you the answer as 14. Understanding? So we will multiply this side also with 2. Fine, students? So 6 upon 14 minus 2 twos will give you the answer as 4 and 7 twos will give you the answer as 14. Understanding, children? 14 and 14 same denominators. We will subtract directly. So 6 minus 4 will give you the answer as 2 and your denominator is 14. So the regular practice will make to solve the sums easy and quickly. Now coming for the last sum. 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon 5. Now children, in this new denominators are different, 6 and 5, and they don't have any common table also. So what is the solution we will be doing? We will be cross multiplying. We have learned it earlier also. We will multiply this 5 this side. So what is the answer you will get? 5 fours will give you the answer as 20. In the middle you have minus, and 6 threes will give you the answer as 18. Understanding, children? And 6 fives will give you the answer as 30. Fine. So 20 minus 18 becomes 2 upon denominator is 30. Understanding, children? Hope you are understanding the concept, students. So don't forget to share it with your friends also and subscribe my channel. Fine. Thank you, students.